If you're having eyes problem or anything related to eyes issue, ọ bụrụ na ị ma na ị na-enwe anya ịkọ ọkọ, for a very long time you have applied all manners of medications, but still yet nya bụ ihe ekwe ha ana. Ọ bụrụ na anya na-akọ gị na-akọ ya, along the line obido shaba mmemme, your eyes always dey scratch you for a very long time, please try this traditional method I have to list you out here. On this video, I want to demonstrate 2 videos in one. It's optional. The one you like, you will use to do it. Then go and get me this king of grass. Igbos are calling it agadiwan isiawo. See how you can identify this grass. Then once you get this one, then you get me bitter kola. Then you can smash 2 of them together and add it water and rinse it and take it to wash your eyes. Make sure that the water enter your eye. Or you can get me white onions, red onions, and bitter kola. Then you slice white onions. You slice it half, and smash bitter kola